Okay, so I'm out by the pond right now, and those fish down there, they are 4 feet down. Over there, that big flat white thing is a catfish. The head is about a foot across, 12 inches wide. And let me see if they come. If I stomp my foot, I don't know, they may not. They're probably still a little rustled from the cleaning yesterday. But they're getting active. They're going over there because that's where I feed the fish, and I have to fix some flagstones, which I don't know how the hell I'm gonna do that, but I'll figure it out. But yeah, you can see how clear the pond is. And if I shut the bubbler off, it will be even clearer. But that catfish, he's down deep. And over that way you can see fish down at the bottom. They are deep as can be as well. Over there, right where to the right of the bubbler, to in between the Japanese maple and the bubbler, where you see the Belgian blocks coming down, they go straight down 5 feet. And you can see the fish that are at the bottom. I got to adjust that waterfall. It's not doing so hot right now. But let me get up here. Flagstone I pulled out of the pond. Flagstone I pulled out of the pond. There's a screw clamp down there. I gotta see how I can get that out. I don't know what the fuck that's doing down there. But maybe I could get the tongs, the reacher grabber, and get them out. But these fish are down 4 feet. And they look pretty damn good. You can see the bubbles bubbling up from the bottom. That aerator thing is 4 feet down, 5 feet. 5 feet down. So I am goddamn proud of myself. It's beautiful. And I'm happy.